What's up, guys? Got this Mercedes in here today. No start, needs a starter. Already tested it. It's a CLK 550 AMG. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but look how crammed this starter is in here. Let me grab a flashlight. Hold on. Alright, so there she is. Pretty crammed in there. Not entirely sure what I'm gonna have to do to get it out. Looking like this exhaust is definitely coming out from what I can see. So, give you guys a little view. Alright, looks like it's been done. It's got a Bosch in there, I would think. Maybe that's original. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go look this thing up because I have no idea where to even start. So I'm gonna see how long it's supposed to take and what I gotta do to get it out. This looks like it's gonna be a fun one to me. Well, boys, about hour and 20 minutes later, roughly, got it out. Had to take the whole one cat out on one side and loosen up this cat to slide the full exhaust system back enough because it only has a flange for the one cat. Alright. Not quite as bad as I thought. Pretty much roughly on schedule for book time. Book time said 2.4. So, putting it together is usually a little bit easier than taking it apart, right?